Foraging elk are often a threat to garden and landscaping, especially in the western United States and Canada. Tenax Elk Fence is a strong barrier for deterring elk and other large wildlife. Tenax Elk Fence can withstand up to 1,400 pounds per foot of tension, making it the strongest plastic wildlife control fence on the market today. This fence has a mesh size of 1 inch by 1.5 inches and available in 6 by 100, 8 by 100, and 13 by 328 foot rolls. Elk fence can be expected to provide protection for at least 10 plus years. Elk fence works well for garden protection, as well as a perimeter fence around yards, nurseries, vineyards, or any large areas needing protection from wildlife. Installation of elk fence is easy and requires only a couple of tools. First, place posts every 10 feet, attach the elk fence to the post with the fence ties, and make sure you pull tight after each post. This will keep the net sturdy and upright. Once the area you are protecting is installed, place sod staples at the bottom of the net every 5 feet to prevent animals from pushing under.